In this video, we're going to show you how to install our V1 Tech GPU support brackets. You will want to start by removing 4 screws from the rear PCI Express slots. 2 of these will most likely be the screws holding in your GPU and the 2 underneath. Once removed, use the included longer thumb screws to mount the bracket. We find it's easiest to install the top screws first, so the bracket and GPU are both secured in the correct place, allowing the bottom 2 to be lined up. Once the bracket is in place, underneath your GPU, find the appropriate spot to support the card anywhere from the center to the end of the GPU. If your support bracket features our individually addressable RGB lighting, we will include several ways to power and control them. The first and most popular is our SATA power controller. Connect a 3-pin key connector into the LED at one end, and any SATA power connector found standard on all computer power supplies at the other end. To control the lights with this method, we include an RF or radio frequency remote control that allows you to change the colors without having to point it at a sensor. The second way to power the lights is by using our 5-volt addressable motherboard header cable. If your board has a compatible header, you can then use software to control the lights. Last but not least, we also include a Corsair iCUE cable to connect these to a Corsair Commander Pro or Node Pro unit for Corsair's iCUE software control. We believe our support bracket is the ultimate solution for fixing GPU sag both functionally and aesthetically. Our GPU support brackets were designed to work with any GPU model that you will ever own, today and through the future.